we will learn how to add Dreamy warm tone to your photos. As you can see, this is an unedited photo. First, go to the basic section. Increase temp to +16. Increase the tint to +16. Reduce the contrast to -23. Reduce highlights to -84. Reduce shadows to -26. Reduce white to -70. Reduce black to -30. Increase the haze to +33. Go to the tone curve section. Do the same as shown in the video. Go to HSL color section. Click on the Hue tab. Reduce yellow to -55. Reduce green to -55. Go to the effects section. From post-crop vignetting, reduce the amount to -25. Increase the feather to 100. Go to the calibration section and then go to blue primary. Increase saturation to +42. Click on preset from the left side. Next, click on the creative section. Click on warm shadow. Your photo now looks like dreamy warm. Thanks for watching the video.